Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with CrowdStreet for syndication updates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with CrowdStreet for syndication updates, start by visiting the CrowdStreet website. In the top right corner, locate the login button and click on it. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by selecting the sign up option. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and a secure password. After entering your details, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Next, click on the Create Account button to complete the sign-up process. Check your email for a verification message from CrowdStreet. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the CrowdStreet website and log in again with your credentials. After logging in, navigate to your profile settings. Locate the section for notifications or syndication updates. Ensure that your preferences are set to receive updates on projects and syndications. You may choose to customize how and when you receive these notifications. After adjusting your settings, save the changes to ensure they take effect. To stay informed, regularly check the Updates section on your dashboard. Now you are authenticated and ready to receive syndication updates from CrowdStreet. Follow these steps to maintain your account and settings as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.